If you have a bunch of media files that you want to go ahead and play out frequently, or you want to just create a list of media files that you want to play out, then you can actually go ahead and maintain a playlist. So over here, when I open up VLC Media Player, you can see that I'm in playlist already. So in order to go ahead and load up medias right here, you can go around over here onto media, go to open file, and then you can navigate to the folder where you have your media and click and drag and open up the media files right here, just like this. So it starts playing right away, as you can see, if there's video. But if you want to go back to playlist, then you can actually go around over here onto toggle playlist right here. Then it goes right here. You can go ahead and reorder the playlist as well. So it can be a mix of audio and video, as you can see right here. And you can arrange this out as you want as well. If you want to actually go ahead and access this playlist in the future, then you can go ahead and save it out as well. So to do that, you can go around onto media, and then you can save the playlist to a file, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go to the same folder right here, and then this is a playlist file, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around and save this as sample playlist right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit save right here. So now if I were to go ahead and close VLC Media Player right here and then open up VLC Media Player once more, now what I can do is I can go to media and open out a playlist right here. So let's just go around over here onto open file, and then over here you can see that you can select out the playlist, click on open, and then you simply have the same playlist loaded out, as you can see right here. You can click on next and back to go ahead and navigate towards the different media files and playlist as well. And that is how you can create and manage out playlist inside a VLC Media Player. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.